Alright, today we are cleaning the air filter on our Subaru Forester, and we'll also be cleaning the air filter for the GC. So we'll be using these two products from K&N. First we're going to let it soak in some of this, make sure it doesn't get dry, about 10 minutes. And then afterwards we're going to use this, and I'll tell you about it. Subaru. Let's open the box. Bentley. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of here. There's a leaf in here. Extra presents. Voila. Mmm, yummy. Okay. Here you go, Noah. I got something for you. There's a present. Mmm, look at all the stuff we've collected. We've got like a fully intact fly and some leaves and some wishies, and we're gonna clean all this up, try and get some more horsepower back. That'd be nice. Alright, so fancy this. We have both styles of filter that K&N offers. This is a cone. That was a flat panel with the Forester. This is in our GC. So this one, where the Forester had nice little like clip things to get into it, this is a single flathead screw, which because of its awkward position with these wires, I might kind of fumble around a little bit, but I'm just gonna loosen it, and then probably, I've got small enough hands, I can probably just hand So it's definitely getting looser. Oh, there we go. She's off. It's really shoved down in here. I don't want to break anything. Voila! We got her. Let's go clean house. I'll take these so I don't lose them. All right, so now we're gonna take our cleaner and spray it for the flat panel. I mean, for both, we're gonna do it pretty liberally, but the flat panel, I can get both sides, and also my eyeballs. It doesn't feel great in there, but I had a nice little wind. I did it twice. Let's stand up. That's better. Just getting it nice and juicy. We'll do this side one more time for funsies. This one's soup's gross. GC doesn't seem as bad, but frankly, that probably gets done a little more often. Now I'm gonna switch them. Alright. And now we do the cone. This one's not as bad. There's no full flies on this, you know. So I learned this fun family trait that I have, that I hum while I do everything. So I'm going to try not to do that, although I've already done it and it's already been caught on camera. And we're gonna send it anyway because it's entertainment, guys. Don't breathe it in. All right, this is still kind of wet, and this is still wet. And now we let it chill for like 10 minutes. We'll keep checking it, making sure it's wet. Keep on spritzing it here and there, and then we'll go from there. We're grabbing the hose. Come along. Is it on? It's on. Bella! I needed to do this anyway. It's not on. Hey, cameraman, turn my hose on. turn it off whenever you're ready. Time to rinse. All right, inside, outside. The dirt filtered out of the car is on the outside, and we don't want to push it to the inside. So we're gonna start with the outside. And I just damaged myself. It's okay, I've recovered. Ew, look at that water. Zoom in. Actually, it looks beautiful. There's some color in here. Like, it almost looks kind of white. I don't get any excess on this side that made it through. Or, well, not made it through. It's all over here. But anything that didn't come out. And then for good measure, one on the side again, just to keep everything as clean as possible. Alright, now we're going to do the other one. I'm also going to remove my brand new Hey Dudes because that was short-sighted. So. Just kidding. Alright, same thing with the flat panel one, the cone. The inside is typically clean because that's where the clean air should be going into your car. And the outside is where the dirt gets trapped so it doesn't go in your engine. So we're going to clean from the inside out. Woohoo! We're making a mess. Get all them yuckies out. Let her breathe again. Let your engine breathe clean air. Oh my gosh, look at that color coming back. There's some yucks going on. That water looks pretty clear though, so I'd say we're doing a decent job. What is that? There's nothing. There's nothing. Now one more time inside, just to make sure we didn't push anything in. Alright, we're all good. Cameraman, turn off the hose and soak. She's dry. Now we put this oil on it. Now if you zoom in here, it looks pink. Make it nice. That's how I got my hair this color. I actually sprayed this in it. Yes. Yes, okay, let's go put it in. No tootsies were injured in this production. Come along. You see every detail of the bubbles, the red and pink bubbles. All right. Mark's car, there's not these great little spots. Oh, this will work. Just get a little extra. I don't want to smoke it on there too tight because then I'll be mad that I can't get it back off. I just want to give it a little extra though. Make sure she don't go nowhere. That looks pretty good. That was so corny. Let's install. Just gonna lift it over top so you can see how this goes in here. Nice, simple. Voila! Alright, so that is how you recondition your air filter, whether it be a flat panel or a cone K&N filter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching.